Good morning, everyone! Welcome to Modern Kitchen Design, the special edition podcast where we talk about the latest trends and innovations in interior design. I'm your host, Emma, and today we have a very special guest joining us. Please welcome John Carter, a renowned sustainable architect and designer. Hi, John. It's great to have you here.
Hi, Emma. Thanks for having me. I'm excited to dive into today's topic.
Absolutely. So, John, sustainable materials in kitchen design have become quite the hot topic in 2024. What do you think has driven this shift?
Well, Emma, I believe it's a combination of increased environmental awareness and the desire for healthier living spaces. People are becoming more conscious of the carbon footprint associated with their homes, and kitchens are a great place to start because they're often the heart of our homes.
That's a great point. I think more people are realizing that sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing style or functionality. In fact, it can enhance both. Could you share some sustainable materials that have caught your attention recently?
Certainly. One material that's making waves is recycled glass countertops. They're not only eco-friendly but also incredibly durable and come in stunning patterns and colors. Another favorite of mine is bamboo. It's a fast-growing resource, making it highly sustainable, and it's perfect for cabinets and flooring due to its strength and aesthetic appeal.
Recycled glass is fascinating. I've read that it's also resistant to stains and scratches, which is ideal for kitchens. And bamboo, I've seen it used in some really innovative ways. Are there any other materials that you think are worth mentioning?
Yes, Emma. Cork is another material gaining traction. It's harvested from the bark of cork oak trees without harming the tree itself, making it a renewable resource. It's perfect for flooring since it's naturally antimicrobial and provides a comfortable, warm underfoot feel.
Cork sounds wonderful. I imagine it's also great for sound insulation, which is a bonus in busy kitchens. But what about the aesthetic aspect? Can these materials fit into a modern kitchen design?
Absolutely. That's the beauty of sustainable materials, they're incredibly versatile. Recycled metals, for example, can be used for sleek, industrial touches, like backsplashes or even cabinet handles. They add a contemporary edge while being eco-friendly.
I love that idea. Integrating recycled metals can really give a kitchen that modern, polished look. How about some tips for homeowners who want to incorporate sustainability into their kitchen renovation?
My first tip would be to prioritize materials that are locally sourced. This reduces transportation emissions and supports local economies. Also, consider using low VOC paints and finishes to improve indoor air quality. And don't forget about energy-efficient appliances. They can significantly reduce your kitchen's environmental impact.
Those are fantastic tips, John. It's incredible how small changes can make a big difference. Before we wrap up, do you have any final thoughts or predictions about the future of sustainable kitchen design?
I believe we'll see continued innovation in this space. As technology advances, we'll have access to even more eco-friendly materials and smarter appliances that will integrate seamlessly into our kitchens. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it's the future of design.
Well said, John. Thank you so much for sharing your insights with us today. It's been a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you, Emma. It's been great discussing this important topic with you.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning in. Remember, making sustainable choices in your home benefits not just you and your family, but the planet as well. Join us next time on Design Dialogue for more inspiring conversations. Goodbye for now.